Okay, this was yesterday. We were experiencing a snowstorm. It was really, really strong, a wind and its gustiness as well. So scary, especially when you are at the road because you can't even see the road on, where you go. Good thing we arrived home safe and sound. But as you can see, that it's really white, as in you can't really even see the cars ahead of you, and even some of the traffic lights were not functioning as we passed some of the areas. And this time we saw some cars that encounter accident, but I hope it wasn't serious because we saw some cars stopped along the road, and I don't know what happened there. And so I took a video from the school where I work till the downtown Saskatoon to let you see how we experience this kind of weather. So it's a snowstorm, and you know it was also called, there's also like a blizzard in it, strong wind and snowing. It was my first time experiencing a snowstorm that was outside the house, you know, especially you were driving. Good thing that I didn't drive. It's Terry who drive the car, because if I drove it, I don't know if I'll continue driving till home because it was really really scary. So Terry picked me up, and then there we were very slow driving because it's very scary. You can't see cars ahead of you. So this is how snowstorm happened here in Canada, especially here in Saskatoon. It happened in Saskatoon. Actually, this time it's already spring, but as they say, we live in Saskatchewan, in which weather here is unpredictable. Like it will be sunny the next day, and the next day after bad weather, it will be. I mean, it is sunny the next day, but the next day it will be so bad. So this is what happened. So yesterday was really really bad weather, and today it's so much better, sunny and not so cold. And last night we used our electric blanket because it was really cold outside, and we forgot to close our window, and so our bed was a little bit wet because the snow, the wind enter, as well as the snow enter the area. So when we arrived home, it was like, oh my gosh, because it's kind of wet, and yeah, I can see some snow on the window. So it's pretty cold last night, but thanks God we're done with that winter, and it's nice weather today. Although it's still breezy, it's so cold as well today. When we went outside for recess, so it was really cold. So, but still manageable. Cold but manageable. Yeah, make it cold because of the wind. So that's how our snowstorm here, how we experience snowstorm here in Canada. I know some other countries experiencing this one too, but this is how I experience while living here in Saskatchewan, Canada for almost 3 years. So University. As you can see that there's a big sign ahead there that says something, and it's where the university is located. This university is called University of Saskatchewan. So this is a big area, and beside the university is a hospital. There are 3 hospitals here, and there. So this is going downtown. So that area here, there. This is together we are packed because it's kind of like a team from the University of Saskatchewan. So this area is going downtown. So it's very scary because it's a busy. It's kind of major road, so you need to be careful. I mean, there's some areas that it's really the areas. I mean, there's area that is kind of clear, but there are also some areas which are not really clear that you need to be careful while you're driving. So see, as you can see, like there's like a smoke in there. That's because of the wind. The gustiness of the wind creates that like a white dry ice kind of thing. Looks like a smoke. So this area here, as you go and we go this area, this is now we able to enter the downtown Saskatoon. So this is, we're going to downtown. You need to be careful here because the bridge is very tight, and it's a two-way, four-way, or what do you say, four-way street, like 2 lanes in the left, 2 lanes in the right, something like that. It's not very narrow, but when you go in here, you need to be careful. You should be in your lane, because if you're like, making a little move, it's kind of scary. So this is now downtown Saskatoon.